Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to do unboxing of this multi-waxing tool that I have purchased from Temu. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. So I have removed the outer packaging, no doubt, and I had opened it once, but I still want to show you what it is. So this is the support handle. This is the multi-waxing tool, and the brand is like this is brushless and by zone. It needs a battery. Okay, battery was not provided with this, so here you can select the level that you can adjust. Now okay, 0 1 also you can select here. Now if you want to unlock this before you attach any blade, this is the panel that you can use. Now this is unlocked and then this is locked. This is where you're going to attach the blades. So this is like oscillating tool. Okay, this support handle that goes on the side, you see this. Okay, so in some projects that's going to help, and they have given various blades. Okay, those are suitable for various kinds of projects. Wow, that's nice. And then more. Wow. Yeah, so now I'm gonna buy a battery, compatible battery that I can use with this. And when you are gonna buy the battery, so you can check which are compatible. Okay, that's always very important. I think standard 21 volt will work, but yeah, definitely you should do it. Yeah, I'll take it to the shop and see which one actually works with this, and that I'll tell, and then I'll use this oscillating tool because I'm planning to do regrouting of my washroom. So there I'm gonna use this tool. So let me know guys what you feel about it, and the cost was like $53. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.